Welcome back to my channel, friends. I have another unboxing for you today, and as you can see, it is from the latest LV collaboration with Kusama. I hope I'm pronouncing that correctly. I'm very excited to share this with you, and I hope you enjoy this unboxing. When I originally was planning to purchase something from this collab, I was really drawn to the on the go in the black and white polka dots. I really liked it. I love the little pumpkin clochette that came along with it. However, life got in the way, unexpected tax bills, and I had to reassess where I was going to spend my money for this collection. I decided to go with the Nano Speedy, and I've got some pictures of the Nano Speedy and the Alma BB in the black and white that I'll add now. When it came in, as you can see, I thought it was super cute, but when I took a look at my collection, I have quite a number of mini bags, and in particular, I have quite a few of the Keep All size bags. Keep All XS, Keep All 25, as well as my City Keep All. So instead of going with the Nano Speedy, which is cute, but it is tiny, I decided to go ahead and splurge a little bit and get this bag instead. It's not the on the go, but when I saw it, I decided that, you know what, this is definitely worth it. So I know I've made you wait, so I'll go ahead and get this unboxing started. Got the tissue paper with all the colored polka dots. So here's the bag. This is a true unboxing. I have not opened it. I was told by the CA that it had been checked and reviewed, and I will have a little bit of a story as to why that was so important for me in a bit after we unbox this. So I know packaging, this ribbon is some of the cutest ribbon I have seen from LV in a while. As you can see, it's got the polka dots, but also has these little LVs, super cute. And if you've watched any of the other LV unboxings, you'll see they do have a special dust bag. It does have the little pumpkin on it, and has the little has Kusama's name as well as the year 2023 to mark the date of the collaboration release. Any guesses? Welcome to my collection. The Pochette Matisse in the black and white, the empreinte leather, the white polka dots. As you can see, has the little leather tab, and I was surprised. I thought this was just like a little, like a handbag, like a little, I thought this was some type of bag charm, and yes, it is a bag charm, but it actually is a clochette. So there is a little ring here that you can, attach keys or whatnot. But I guess technically it really is just a bag charm, but super cute. Has the little, let's see if we can put this up close. Has the same stamp as what's on the dust bag. Pocket in the back, opens up. It does have silver hardware. The regular Pochette Matisses do have gold hardware. And let's take a look at the bottom. No feet, but it does have polka dots on the bottom. And then you see your D-ring for the strap and other D-ring. Now, a little bit of a story time. When I went to go pick up my original order of the Nano Speedy, they did still have one Pochette Matisse that was purchased by another client, but they were kind enough to let me take a look at it. Well, when I was looking at it, I did notice that there was a flaw in the construction. This area on here, if you can see it, see it's nice and it's full and it's appropriate. Well, the one that they had in store on hold for somebody was collapsed in, and when you opened it up, it looked like there was a problem with how the interior had been, the lining had been stitched, and somehow it was pulling this to collapse in like that. So I was happy that they had to order me one. I felt bad, and I pointed it out to my CA, and the CA let the other CA who had been holding that for her client know about the flaw. So to be honest, I don't know whether that client ended up asking for them to order another one or what the situation was, but I know that the other CAs were aware of it when I went to go pick this one up. So you open this up, it does have, you know, the grained leather inside and the microfiber lining, you see that, and it does have this divider in here, and it is in a contrasting white stitch with, you can see, let's see if I can get that, so you can see it has the black polka dots. Now, okay, this is a little, I don't know if you can really tell, it's a little wonky how it, I don't know, maybe it's just the leather, it's the way it's been constructed, but this pocket looks okay. If you were to look inside, I don't know if you can tell, this does not lay flat. To be honest, that doesn't really bother me all that much. It's inside the bag. To me, that's really not a huge deal, but I know to some people they would look at that and say, well, that is a flaw. And again, I think it's how they stitched this pocket into the lining. I think that that's probably what has caused some of the issues, and I think that that is what the issue was with the other pochette métisse that I saw. So here is the strap for the bag. It is adjustable, as you can see, and it has, let's see if I can show you. Whoops. It does have 1, 2, 3, 4, another 5, 6, 7 holes. So that's good. It's adjustable and it's nice. Can use this with other black leather bags, black leather Louis bags. The S-lock here is in the silver, and as you can see, this front like all pochette métisse, it's got 3 divisions. So the front pocket, the large middle compartment, and then this smaller slip pocket back here. And again, can you see there is that white leather tag, whatever, showing that the collaboration. And this is interesting. I've not seen this before. I don't know, let me see if I can show you. There is a little tab here. You can see that. I'll probably just take a photo of it, insert it now, but it is a little tab that says Made in France. So super cute. And okay, if anybody's interested, it's got the info and a little QR code, the materials info, cowhide leather, and the fabric, the interior is fabric, cowhide, and the trim is cowhide. And if you're interested in the specifics, the barcode and the number, let's see, is that, I hope that shows up for you okay. All right. So this is the latest addition to my collection. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. I can't wait to use this. I have a couple of trips coming up, and this is definitely going to be a featured bag in rotation. So if you like these types of unboxing videos, I would love it if you gave this video a like, and please consider subscribing, joining my small YouTube family for unboxings, comparisons, and discussion of all things luxury. If you would like to see comparison with my monogram pochette métisse or want more information with regards to this bag, please go ahead, leave a comment down below, and I will see you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.